And we've got another of our favorites standing by, a tech specialist. We are joined by Ross Gerber, President and Chief Executive at Gerber Kawasaki. Ross, thanks very much for coming on the show. Busy day. What's jumping out for you right now?
Well, it's jumping out as a great opportunity, like what your guest was just talking about. We're long-term investors, and I've been investing in technology stocks for my whole 30-year career and then some. And anytime you get a severe pullback like this, it really gives you an opportunity that we've been waiting for some time to look at some things that actually have reasonable valuations.
Are you seeing anything in the market right now that seems to be getting too cheap, or in the tech space?
Yeah, it's not in tech, though, actually. I don't think tech is actually getting too cheap because it was pretty expensive. So I think relative value, there's still opportunity in tech. But like a stock like MGM Resorts, which we've owned for a very long time, it's got kind of beat up after beating earnings. And
who was that? Sorry, Ross, what stock was that again?
MGM Resorts.
MGM Resorts,
hotel and casino company in Vegas. And, they've getting hit. Now they're looking at a PE ratio of something like, 12 with good growth and a wonderful business. So we're seeing lots of opportunities outside of the Mag 7 with really reasonable price earnings ratios. Stocks like LPL Financial, which we have a relationship with, and it's got beaten up over, fears of their cash earnings, yield and things like that. And all of a sudden also trades at 10 times earnings. So there's certainly opportunity for long-term investors. And I think if you have a longer-term time horizon, of course, it's an opportunity to pick up tech stocks like Dell, which have gotten way too cheap.
Right, LPL Financial. I'm not sure if we have the stock, LPLA, and they provide back office and technology services to financial advisors. That's interesting.
Exactly.
Oh, there we have it, and it's down about 6% today. Actually, looks like it might have hit a 52-week low.
Yeah.
I guess people saw this coming, and we are into August, which tends to be a lackluster month for the stock market.
Yeah, I mean, once again, you have to look at valuations and earnings. We're seeing great earnings reports across the board, and then you have valuations come down, and that gives you some PE compression. So, with the Mag 7 trading at 35, 40 times earnings, which is historically extremely high for these types of securities, and they're very, very large companies. So despite incredibly impressive numbers, they're massive companies. So for them to grow, it's harder. So we like cheaper stocks, right? The idea is buy low, sell high. Everything's been high for a good 3 to 4 months, 5 months, and now you have an opportunity.
What about Intel? Is it ever getting punished?
Yeah, but Intel's been a poor business for a long time. They've tried a lot of different things to become relevant again, and they're always sort of 2 steps behind, and they're too big, and it's unfortunately it's like a byproduct of a different era, kind of like Boeing. So you just got to stay away from stocks like that just really don't have any fundamental reason to go up, and have really tough competition in stocks like Nvidia and AMD and Avgo, which is what we own, in GK in my fund and for my clients.
What about Amazon? It's been an incredible growth story, obviously, over the years. Maybe we could put up a 10-year chart, but suffering today.
Yeah, and especially after what I consider really good numbers. So we've seen this with companies reporting really good numbers and just getting punished. So almost like sell the news type, behavior. But Amazon's doing pretty well in their business, and especially the most important business, which is web services, which is their cloud-based, business. And with AI and Amazon, just recently got the rights to the NBA. So now they have rights to the NFL and the NBA, and their ad business should improve dramatically with these assets coming onto their platform over the next couple of years. So between their, entertainment industry businesses and then you look at their core business and then you look at services, this company is probably in the best shape that it's been in. And Andrew Jassy's doing a great job. It's kind of done with Bezos. So this could be like a Satya Nadella type management team, and Amazon could see some really good growth over the next 5 years.
You're referring there to the Microsoft CEO, who's done got that stock moving up. What about Apple? Finally, not posting a revenue decline. They've been struggling with that over the past year or so. The stock holding in despite weakness in China.
Yeah, Apple is a big lumbering giant with a ton of potential. So, the way I look at Apple now is you have really two big drivers for them. One is Apple Vision Pro, not this version of it, but what it will be over the next 5 years, I think will be a compelling product. And then you have iPhone with AI, and adding AI to Apple devices will be a massive shift for the better for Apple. The devices are wonderful, but Siri has been an abject failure, and me trying to find the picture of me and my wife in Coachella in 2016 is difficult versus what I think the potential is moving forward. So I think once AI gets put into their systems, and maybe that's going to take them a year, there'll be a reason, a very compelling reason, to upgrade your iPhone and your other Apple devices, and so we'll see a massive upgrade cycle for Apple. But it is also a very big, enormous company that's scared to make large acquisitions, so it's tough for them to grow fast. So they're one of the slower growers of the group.
I missed something there. So you said you and your wife were at Coachella, the music festival in 2016, and you took pictures, and they're hard to find, but AI might help with that kind of stuff.
Yeah, especially specific ones. Like if I'm like, do you have the picture of my wife with Hosier? It's like, it should know this just through AI, but I'm searching through like hundreds of Coachella pictures. So when you start thinking about all the personal data you have on your Apple devices and being able to recall emails, pictures, text message conversations, and have intelligent use of it, like can you summarize the 5,000 text messages from my high school friends about the Lakers and just summarize it in like one message? That would be very helpful, because every time I look at my phone, there's like 5,000 messages from my friends about Bronny James, So Apple can really improve their ecosystem.
That's interesting. So your wife with Hosier, and of course she's a huge star. I got to admit, my wife was at Coachella. My wife was at Coachella more recently. She didn't bring me. She found it was a nightmare, but maybe we're getting too old for it. I think.
Well, no, I stopped going. To be honest, we stopped going because it turned into a nightmare. Coachella for the first 10 or 15 years was great, and in the last 5 years, it's really turned into a pop concert, and they've sold too many tickets, and it just lost its edge, I think. But so we've moved on from Coachella.
Yeah.